Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Aqua at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano yung makukuha po nating mensahe. So, ano ang palatandaan na ng kinabukasan para sa iyo at sa person mo? Okay? Ang sabi dito, coffin. Okay, Aqua. Marami kasing ibig sabihin to, kaya alam mo yun, makinig ka muna. Kasi ang ibig sabihin ng dito, no, yung coffin o yung kabaong is pagtatapos, no? It's an ending, pero magdadala ito ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. Okay? So, ibig sabihin din dito, merong change, no? Pagbabago nga. At meron din ibig sabihin na paglago, no? Something to do with growth. Kasi kung magkakaroon nga ng pagbabago, definitely ang tinitignan natin dyan ay yung kung gaba ay pag-increase o paglago nga o growth nung ano man yung ginagawa mo. Pwede din dito na kung gaba freedom, no? Nakalibre ka na. Kung gaba libre ka na. You are allowed na makamit mo na yung tinatawag na kalayaan. Okay? Yung kalayaan. Ito rin ay ibig sabihin ng pagpapalit o yung paggagalaw natin sa isang lugar to another, no? There is a transition, a movement. So marami siya, hindi siya ibig sabihin ng naiisip nyo. Okay? Kasi ang coffin sa tarot is the death card. Okay? So yun, pagbabago. It's more of a change, transformation, no? Pero ang pinaka-umpisa talaga nito is, syempre magkakaroon ng pagtatapos. There will be an ending, but it will be followed with a new beginning. Okay? So yun yung pinaka gaba pinupunto nitong as itong sign na to, no? This is the sign already. Magkakaroon ng pagtatapos, pero magkakaroon ka rin ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. Okay? So, tignan natin sa tarot kung ano yung makukuha natin mensahe para sa iyo, Aqua. Sa person mo. Okay, we have the 9 of Swords. We have the 8 of Pentacles. I have the 6 of Cups. Death. Ito yun. And the Ace of Pentacles. Bottom niya is the Hermit. Okay. Okay, so Aqua, yung umpisang card natin is the Nine of Swords. Ito yung enerhiya na marami kang iniisip. No? Parang tuloy-tuloy ang pag-iisip na yung pag-iisip na nag-worry o pinag-iisipan mo talaga kung ano na mangyayari. No? And I think it has something to do with work. No? Sa trabaho. Kasi this is the Eight of Pentacles. Ito yung willing ka na talagang, sige, porsigido kang trabahuhin. Or maybe something to do nga with your work in itself. Di ba? With the Six of Cups, may babalik kasi. There is somebody na babalik sa buhay mo. Something na hindi mo ina-expect kasi matagal na tong tao na to na sabihin na natin na nagkahiwalay kayo o matagal mo na siyang hindi nakikita. Diba? Matagal na walang koneksyon. Matagal na walang pag-uusap. Kaya hindi mo inaasahan na magkatagpo kayo muli. With the Death card, this is telling me na ito na yon, no? Yung sinasabi ko sa yung coffin. I think there was an ending or something that brought about yung pagtatapos, no? Ika-clarify natin kung ano yung natapos. But definitely, sabi ko nga sa inyo, ang dala rin nito ay bagong pag-uumpisa. Okay? Kasi kung ang katabi niyang card ay yung Six of Cups na somebody na unexpectedly bumalik sa buhay mo, merong natapos sa buhay mo na napaltan ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. Maybe it's something to do with yung pagbabalik nitong person from the past. Kasi ang nangyari, because of this change, no? Kita mo, this is what I'm talking about, the new beginning with the Ace of Pentacles. Kita mo kung gaano kalaki yung coin, no? Yung simbolo ng Pentacles, the coin. It is giving you that opportunity to make more money, a new beginning. Mas maging masagana ka pa. Kasi kung dito nga, di ba, sabi ko kung dito nag-worry ka, and it has something to do with work, no? Trabaho. And if it's work, of course, definitely it's something to do with finances, no? Pera. But something changed, no? May nangyaring pagbabago brought about by this person from the past that is giving you this new beginning na maganda yung future ahead. Okay? And you are really thinking about this. Talagang pinag-iisipan mo itong mabuti. Okay? Pinag-iisipan mo siya mabuti. Na talagang pinag-iisipan mo siya mabuti. Okay? So, i-clarify natin. Bakit andito yung Nine of Swords? Andito yung Nine of Swords. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, and the King of Swords. Yung wino-worry mo, yung pinag-iisipan mo, matagal na to, no? Matagal mo nang pinag-iisipan o iniindang. Kasi, o panahon na, kung gabat taon na yung itinapon mo dito. Sa isang mensahe na something that is very close to you, no? Something na you find it to be
what you wanted. And yun yung katotohanan, because this is the King of Swords. I think you were approached by an air sign, no? Just like you. Maybe you had this talk, no? Sa sarili mo. Kasi this could be you. The King of Swords could be your energy na sinasabi mo na, hey, ang tagal-tagal ko na dito, no? Tagal-tagal ko na dito. Maybe tagal-tagal ko na dito sa trabaho na to. I just want to have fun. Gusto ko naman mag-enjoy ng buhay ko. Kasi napapagod din naman ako eh. Ng trabaho. And, I wanted to experience that. Kung gaba parang to have a break, to have that time, maybe a holiday, no? Kung di ka nakakapag-holiday for a long, long time, then you are asking for it. Kasi nga, yung susunod na card mo dito is work, and work, no? Trabaho ka ng trabaho. But may bumalik. Tignan natin yung Six of Cups. Bakit andito yung Six of Cups? We have, the Lovers. The Four of Pentacles. And the Chariot. Okay, Aqua. So, this person from the past, ito, sabi kasi may babalik, unexpectedly, tagal mo nang di nakikita, o walang communication, wala na connection. It's your lover. Naging kayo, eventually, naging kayo in the past. Okay, so, kayo nakakaalam nito. Take it as it resonates, Aqua. It could be somebody na from your childhood o yung early teens mo, no? Mga high school days or even first few years of when you started working. Yung mga ganun. Something na talagang medyo matagal-tagal na at hindi mo talaga inaasahan na magkikita kayo muli. It could also mean somebody from your past life. Diba? Kasi this could mean somebody from your past life, no? Kaya talagang yung tipong parang kilala ko na to eh. Yung ganong recognition. And somehow, nung nakita mo na nga yung tao na to, you realize that you cannot let it go. You weren't able to let it go. Hindi siya nawala sa'yo, sa puso mo. No? Andyan siya palagi. Parang tinabi mo lang. No? Tinabi mo lang siya. Naka-store. Kung ba naka-store sa iyong puso. Now, you are being asked, no? To move forward. Sige. Makipagkita ka muli dito. Just continue to, kung gaba parang buhayin muli yung nakaraan. O kung if you need to go on a date, sige lang, go on. Ganun yung sinasabi ng Chariot dito. You move forward. Sige lang. Now, ba't andito yung Death? We have the Two of Wands, the Knight of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. Nagkaroon kasi siya ng ending, no? Ending. Maybe because you were actually waiting, no? In a way, parang expecting na, or looking back, no? Tumitingin ka pabalik na, or rather say looking forward, no? Na sana yung tao na to bumalik, no? Bumalik siya agad kasi this is the sword, mabilis, no? Gusto mo na siyang bumalik agad. Kaso ang totoo is mabagal yung kanyang pagbalik. Ando kasi yung plano, no? There is this plan to reach out to you, go back to you. Pero mabagal yung paggalaw. Kaya nga kung gaba ikaw, you're making that manifestation na sana bilisan mo na yung pagbalik sa buhay ko. And that is the change that you wanted. You wanted, yung ano ba yung ending? The ending of waiting for that person to come back. Kasi gusto mong mabilis, pero ang bagal. So that is what the change that you are asking for. Now, Ace of Pentacles, bakit andito siya? Bakit andito yung Ace of Pentacles? We have the Seven of Cups, the Two of Swords, and the World. Yung panibagong pag-uumpisa na to, this new beginning of gaining more money, no? Something to do with material things. You are given the choice, no? Binibigyan ka naman ng opportunity ng universe na to make that choice. Ano bang gusto mo? No? Kasi sa ngayon, you cannot make any decision. Naguguluhan ka pa eh. Still confusing for you. Kasi daming pagpipilian. So you just couldn't just, pick up any of this. Hindi ganun eh. Parang talagang pinag-iisipan mo kaya hindi ka makapagawa ng desisyon. Kasi alam mo na ito na yung hudyat ng pag-uumpisa muli. Okay? Because this is the world. So you are starting a new cycle. A new thing. So, ito. Diba? This is the new cycle coming in. Panibagong pagkakaroon ng mas magandang oportunidad. Mas pagkakataon ng, or you're given that opportunity to earn more. Na kumita na mas marami. Mag-acquire na mas maraming material na bagay. Mas maging stable. No? Because of what the change has brought here. Maybe it has something to do with this person na bumalik sa buhay mo that had helped you or is helping you to have that new beginning. Mabagal nga lang siya, no? Very slow in doing it. Or maybe the universe is really making it slow kasi nga marami pang dapat gawin o pagdaanan, lessons to be learned, and that timing has to be perfect in accordance to God's blessing and will. Kaya maraming factors yun eh. Hindi lang naman dahil kasi talagang physically mabagal siya, hindi yun. May mga bagay kasi na minsan hindi natin alam, no? Na nangyayari sa ating likod na kailangan palang maganap muna bago tayo makausad do sa ating hinaharap, no? So, ating hinaharap. But it is something that is worth, looking into or waiting for. Kasi maganda yung sinasabi niya na ito yung pagkakataon mo ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. This is telling me na ito na nga binago na magbabago yung cycle ng buhay mo. Kasi ito ka na ito na yung katapusan. Iikot siya ulit, panibago. Another one. Kung ba, yung hinihingi mo na magkaroon ulit ng opportunity na ganyan. Kasi since hindi mo malet go nga ito, is coming. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung message mo para kay Aqua. Oops. Malon. It's simple really. How do I feel? I want you as forever. Yung sinasabi niya dito na simple lang naman ano ba talaga nararamdaman mo? Ang gusto mo is ikaw at kayong dalawa magkasama. I guess that is why this person is coming back in your life. Kasi pinag-pray mo yan hiniling mo siya na makasama mo. Maybe in this start ng reading natin is, di ba, matagal na nawala. Matagal kayo nagkahiwalay. And maybe during the time na magkahiwalay kayo, you've realized na I'm missing something. I'm missing that person that gave me yung life, that gave me that energy, that gave me that parang fun part of my life. No? And that's the truth. Yung katotohanan talagang, pinaligaya niya ako Naging masaya ako sa piling niya. But kasi anong nangyayari nga, trabaho lang ako ng trabaho it would be nice for that person to come back into my life kasi nga, iba yung dating. Iba yung naidulot nito sa akin. And that is why I think God is, answering to your requests, to your prayers, to your manifestation. Kaya, kung ba parang mag-intay ka lang, just wait. Kasi gusto mo nga mabilis Ngayon na, now na, hindi naman pwedeng ganun, dahil hindi pwedeng ganun. Hindi pwedeng ganun. Mag-intay ka ng tamang pagkakataon o oras o pangyayari. But definitely, ang sinasabi dito, papasok ka na sa panibagong cycle. Okay? So, tanong natin. One more message. Ano pang message for Aqua? Message for Aqua. Ask for what you want. Yes, diba? Let the universe and other people know what you need. Diba? Sabi ko, simple lang yung gusto mo to be with this person. You really tell God what you want and other people. It's being honest ka, no? This is all about being honest. The King of Wands is telling the truth, communicating and expressing the truth. Kung ano ba talaga yung nararamdaman mo. Now let us see. Kailan mo siya makikita muli? Itong person na kailan kayo makikita muli? Next year. Next year, Aqua. Kikita daw kayo. Okay? So, yan. Something na for you to look forward. And this is what I'm trying to say. The sign. The sign is all about change. Magkakaroon ng pagbabago. Okay? Magkakaroon ulit ng new beginning. Kung gaba, mag-umpisa kayo muli. Diba? Babalik siya at mag-umpisa kayo muli. So that is the sign. Okay? The sign of you having this another cycle. The sign that things will have a new beginning. Something very profitable or good in terms of resources, money, a new beginning. Diba? Yun, yung sign. Okay? So, kung kanina mang Aqua ito na nakuha natin, na enerhiya, sana nakatulong ito sa iyo ng malaki. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.